Hello there. Would you like to learn data science, learn how to clean data, and also present data to employers and make reports on certain data and also derive insight from data? Would you like to build stunning application like this one or this one? Would you like to learn how to build stunning desktop applications like this one? Then you have come to the right place. Hello and welcome to Python Programming Mastery, and I am your instructor for this course. I am a dedicated computer scientist deeply passionate about Python. Starting young, I have honed my skills and dived into its flexible features. As a self-taught Python pro, I have empowered hundreds of students, fostering success. Join me to master Python's prowess and ignite your programming journey. What does Python Programming Mastery offers? It is designed for every level. That is, if you are a total beginner, an intermediate Python developer, an advanced Python developer, or a professional Python developer, then Python programming is for you. So if you are a beginner, then you would have to start from the beginner section, because the course is structured into 4 different levels. We have the beginner level, we have the intermediate level, we have the advanced level, and I have the professional level. In the beginner level, I am going to be taking you through the introduction to Python, control flow and Python operators, randomization and Python list, Python for loops and iterable, Python function and the while loop, Python function and output, Python dictionary and arbitrary argument, debugging tips and practices. So I'm going to take you from the beginning to the professional level. In the beginners level, I'm going to make sure that everything you need to know, you get it right as regards the core concept of Python. Then we move to the intermediate level. In the intermediate level, we are going to be learning object-oriented programming. With the aid of nice slides and whiteboard section, you are surely going to get it and you are going to get hold of this. Then within the intermediate level, once we are done with object-oriented programming, I am going to teach you about data science using NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib. Afterwards, we will learn about Python file input-output. Thereafter, we will learn about complex Python array methods and regex. You will be able to read and write any regex expression using Python programming. Thereafter, I'll teach you how you would write professional codes and compact code using Python comprehension. Then we learn about Python error handling and exceptions. Also, we learn about the JSON module and how you can handle large JSON data. In the advanced level, we learn about SMTP link, which is used in sending mails, and you'll be able to send mails using Python. SMTP is an acronym for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, and I'm going to be taking you through these steps. And we'll also learn about datetime module, API integration with Python. You'll be able to communicate with any API and you'll be able to successfully read and understand documentation. Then in the professional level, we are going to be focusing on Flet. So Flet is a Python framework which allows you to build Flutter apps. I don't know if you already know about Flutter, but Flutter is a framework used in building mobile, desktop, and web applications. Flutter itself is developed by Google, but Flet is a Python framework that we are going to be using in developing Flutter apps. So we are going to build a ChatGPT clone, which we are going to be naming FletGPT, and this is going to be connected with ChatGPT API. And this would get you the experience you need in working with APIs and also building scalable applications, and also ensuring that you have enough experience to get out there and get a job. We would also build a fintech application which we are going to be packaging. So this one is going to be more of a mobile application, and I am going to teach you how we are going to package this application into desktop apps and also deploy them. Then we'll learn about Git and GitHub and also version control. And finally, we would solve coding challenges so that when you get on job interviews or coding interviews, you can ace the interview. And I'm going to be sharing Python interview tips with you at the end of this course. I hope you are excited and you are pumped up. There are also going to be course updates. I'm going to be adding HTML and CSS content to this course. I would add Tailwind CSS crash course to this course, Flask framework for backend development to this course, Python ORM, which means object related mapper, and how you are going to connect your Flask application with databases. Afterwards, we are going to build a job site with Flask and Tailwind CSS. These are course updates and they are going to come in a little bit later, but for sure they are going to come in. I hope to see you in the course. Bye.